Hi, I'm Marty. Tonight we're going to be making crapple pie. Following Amy's recipe from Apple and the Sniffers. It's like apple pie, but with whatever crap you got laying around in your house. First things first, gonna make a drink. We've got apples, thanks to U.S. Foods donated to industry workers in need. Thank you very much. My roommate picked me up some white bread. We've got butter and cinnamon and cayenne if you're feeling spicy. And butter. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is wash our fucking dirty hands. Amy said we don't have to fucking peel the apples, so we're just gonna chop them down. We've got my water boiling right there. Just gonna chop these apples into little pieces and get them boiling in the pot. Make sure you're looking at your apple while you're chopping it. Feed these hands. Looks about ready for the apples. Just gonna put the apples right in the water. If you're not sure, I'd just say go for it because it's crapple pie, not apple pie. So turns out like shit. Doesn't really matter. Sure, that'll be fun. I'm gonna put some butter in the pan. Make sure the heat's on first. Otherwise it's not gonna melt, is it? We're gonna use white bread, but you can use whatever bread you got laying around the house. Maybe you got some naan, some tortillas, some flour and water mixed up. Whatever you got is fine, really. I'm gonna do a little bit more butter. Because who doesn't love butter? I love butter! Alright, so it looks like the butter's heating up a little bit. I'm gonna throw some bread down in the pan. Sliced bread, whatever you got, really. It doesn't fucking matter. This is quarantined crapple pie. It's not your grandmother's pie. It's whatever you got. Whatever you got. The apples are boiling up nicely, as you can see. I don't know how long they've been going for, but you can just follow your gut. Just follow your gut and you'll know. You just follow your heart and you'll know when it's stopping. I bet. Fucking apples are doing great. Bruh, fucking apples are doing great, huh? Fucking apples are doing great. Brother. Mama. Hey, mama. Look at me apples, mama. At this point, the apples are doing just fine. I'm gonna flip my bread. I don't really know how it's coming out. I probably should have used a bigger pan, but whatever you got in your house, really. So maybe some more butter would help. Just gonna plop whatever I got in there. By any means necessary, we're making this fucking crapple pie. If it's the last of my butter, worth it. at this point, you're probably gonna need another drink. Let me show you how to make one. Well, got a little excited. My ice cubes weren't quite ready, but shit, it's fucking thirsty, so here we go. They're not quite as frozen as I'd like them, but you know, you gotta make do with whatever crap you got in your house. So we're gonna do a little vodka. I don't normally do vodka, but I'm feeling a little crazy tonight. Don't wanna go too hard on the Jim Beam. A little wine. Whoop. Don't get crazy now. A splash of the Peychaud's. A little seltzer to top it off. Sometimes, I mean really. It's very dangerous work we do as bartenders. Somebody's gonna do it, am I right? Cheers. Fuck. Alright. Where's my lipstick? Alright, so apple pie usually comes with ice cream. But we don't have any fucking ice cream. Frozen banana, just like Amy did. Put the banana right in the Ninja. Hold on. Hold on, technical difficulties. It's not working. Ah! Put some ice in there, probably. Alright, let's start, right? You don't have any secrets, you better tell them now. Now we've got that banana instead of ice cream. If you have ice cream, that's fine. I'm gonna go by Amy's recipe by using frozen banana. Look at that. Check it out. It's gonna be good. So at this point, seems like all your ingredients are probably ready by now. So what we're gonna do is put the bread down. Take some apples, boiled and soft now. Probably, I don't know. I'm not a scientist or anything. So put some apples on there. And then instead of ice cream, we're gonna use frozen banana. Just like Amy did. Pile some on there. And then, I guess that's Crapple pie. I guess all that's left is for me to try it. Seems like we're about done making Crapple pie. Don't forget to add your cinnamon. As much you want. Make me sneeze. Very good. It was really good. So, if you're looking for a recipe to do and you're in quarantine, just make fucking Crapple pie. It's important to have fun while you're at home by yourself and sharing recipes with people that you love so you can enjoy the same food while you're away, which makes it all the more hot being away from each other but having the same food. Thanks, Amy.
I'm going to Sundance, baby. I'm going to Sundance, baby.
No! I want to have a shot of me looking at my watch at some point.